Aina peta na aijililuno na abuak kangun kesibian abu ayaiton no aseo koibuga soroti Christine Eyu itegia keda Moses Okia Atan.
I, Christine Eyu, being returning officer for Sorority City, Electro City, pursuant to the Parliamentary Elections Act 2005, declare Atan Okia Moses duly nominated as candidate to contest for election as Member of Parliament.
Ijaikinai nerike Okia ngesidabu ilip itungaluko Eastern Division aina kininges arerenguna aijanakin.
I have been nominated for the second term, for the second time within the term of 5 years. And if you defeat somebody in the first round and he doesn't accept defeat, you go back to defeat him in the second round.
President Loka FDC lo enyamit Atan ngesi edopet kota mongarenok luda ejasi aigangit Atan.
We came to give confidence to our people. We will continue to be here throughout the campaign time, and we believe that victory is going to be on our side. We are not a violent group of people, but if violence is brought to us, we are going to counter this violence in the same measure.
Konye atupurukina lolo abuan habat edimon ariko loka NRM nesi aponi itijenarai kwape abuan loyare loda aupase kedebina luka NRM.
City, pursuant to the Parliamentary Elections Act 2005, declare Ariko Herbert Edmond Okoro duly nominated as candidate to contest for election as Member of Parliament for Sorority City East Division constituency in Sorority City. Congratulations.
Countrymen and countrymen, good afternoon. My name is Herbert Edmond Ariko. I am candidate of the National Resistance Movement in the Sorority City East constituency by-election. This afternoon, I would like to thank God and my party for the completion of the first phase of this exercise in which I have been nominated candidate. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the desire, it is the aspiration of the National Resistance Movement to see that there is equitable development, there is socio-economic transformation, and that the people of Sorority, just like any other part of Uganda, will enjoy equitable development. It's our aspiration that we have a leader that is sensitive, responsive, and compassionate to the needs of the people. The politics of Sorority should not only be hinged on propaganda and lies.
Nesidabu Captain Mike Mokola itijenebe erai abuan loda ebune nyakar ebuga Sorority opuga eloka NRM.
Chairman of the Mighty Revolutionary Party, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, our party chairman, I am pleased to present to you our candidate for Sorority City East constituency by-election, the year of our Lord 2022, Honorable Herbert Edmond Ariko. I want to invite him.
Abuakiche, Loda Memorial Toes, Joseph Ogita, Herbert Omoding, Keda Omoding Stephen, Esi Potu, Ojalata Bolobolo Ngin, Kosodete, Ai Morikikin Keda, Herbert Edmond Ariko. Abuala Washa, Ai Togongoro, Ai Buoke, Pascal Amuriat, Loda Eboi, Adoket Naka UPC, Nyese Balebe, Ekapakina Nyesi, Anyinebe, Inyakaro Engarnikine, Adokta Nukakolo UPC.
So number one for me is to ensure that our people in those 5 wards, their land rights are secure. Nobody should lose them because of legislative issues. Number 2, we are going through tough economic times. COVID has given us a challenge. Now we are having weather challenges. We are going through high prices and opportunities to ensure.
As a tight na Soroti City East, Nesi, Aponi, Ikisarai, Akron uda potu, Olomutu Kotoma Seu, na ilukumniare keda Akaisare Indio, Kano Ationisna Ikoruon. Gabriel Eseko Kanuka TV East, Koibuga Soroti.